shoot slash montage of Ariel, the Little Mermaid. That's what I meant to do. Since we're out of school and whatever, my drama teacher decided you don't do acting in class, so you can create something that you like. I decided to do a little montage of the Little Mermaid. Got some like stuff that I had already in my house. I redesigned some things. I'm actually making 2 outfits that I'm going to take pictures of in front of a photo shoot that I made. Well, that's the makeshift ocean. So it's the makeshift ocean made with the curtain. It's tape, good tape. And then on the floor is like some lights and stuff. To make these, they're like, whatever. They used to be these. My parents drank these. So I redesigned them to look like this. The other one, both in different colors. What I decided to do is take these Christmas lights.
Check every bulb. Got a little knot here. Work on that.
And make them into the floor like it's like the water is like glowing. So I decided to take these Christmas lights and do them. What was it, for her cave? We had like a lot of things in our cave, so I was getting random stuff in the cave. This is actually really good because I actually made this in elementary school. So I thought that would be pretty cool to put. But it's pretty old. Oh, I just keep stuff in here. So that's it.
Day 2.
A photo shoot that I'm doing for a class. So it's that ending part where she comes out of the water in this shiny looking dress. And I had leftover fabric, thank God, of this. So I decided, oh, this would be cute. So I would probably have to model it since it's a small. Because I surely will not. Unless Jordan models it. You are trying her. So this is what it looks like right now. The back is very, very low. It's basically butt level. So that would be the dress. Or outfit number 2 is this big old scarf. So I decided to I don't know. This kind of reminded me of a jellyfish or the shipwreck outfit that she had on in the movie. Kind of reminded me of that. And when I put it on, it was like, this is what it looked like. So I'm like, this part can be like a cover up for a bathing suit.
Few moments later.
That's one side.
1 eternity later.
I'm deciding on a picture. I have to get like a reference of like what a deep sea looks like makeshift. Maybe if I do shipwreck DIY, I guess I'll do it like that. This is, I just saw one. It looked really cool with a mirror. Oh, that is so cute. I don't know if you can see this. I don't know if you can see that. That picture right there, it looked like she's under like a table and they probably put lights over it. Oh yeah. Yeah, so what they did for this person, he's like under like some blue fabric, I guess, or blue like paper, and they put a light over him with like a tub of water to make it look like water. So what I'm gonna do is probably I'll get like a bucket of water, fill it up, and take a light like this. I could take one of the LED lights and shine it on there to make the back part look like an ocean for real. So that could work. But it makes shit fun, like DIY. Nope, not showing me nothing. Showing me nothing. I wish I had one of those projection things. That would have been cool. I should have bought one. Water. Water. Maybe if I look up Pirates of the Caribbean stuff. I looked up Pirates of the Caribbean, like, pictures. The most that's been coming up right now is Jack Sparrow, basically. He keeps coming up. But it's more like Ariel is not really based off of like pirates. It's more like how would I say, like rich people. So they don't have pirates in their thing, and it wouldn't make sense. It's a lot longer than I thought. I'm tangling freaking lights. Oh. Okay. Ah! One side. Okay. This one. Ah! Okay. This one light. Untape. Put it in this one. That way people can see it. Oh yeah. Yeah, I can see that. Yeah. Put it in this one. So keep this blank. Have another one, but I don't know what to use this for.
Day 3.
This is how the lights are supposed to look. They're not as bright as I thought they would be, but I just needed it for the floor. Yeah. Now I just gotta figure out what outfits are good. So these are the two outfits. I might have another one, just so you know. So I did not fix that in time. I'm sorry. The one she comes out of the water. Kind of looks good in the light though. This is one. This is the red dress. Might make this the Ariel one. So this is these heels with it. Now that that's situated, now I gotta figure out what I'm going to do for makeup and hair and other stuff. So I'm gonna go do that real quick.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I did some really hard work and I put a lot of effort into this with the photo shoot, with the videos, with the outfits, the makeup and everything. I just really hope you liked it, and there will be more coming. I probably will do a lot of this with different themes or videos. It will be coming soon, so don't you worry. It will be coming soon. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye guys!